lại sầm rã nữa là pù ô hay sầm rã thế mấy tới là pù bơ cái lạnh phải một mét nữa
thằng mày thằng dương thằng mòn một phần năng đây tới tam tà na đó
snam một nít đuôi
đùa
đuôi pin cái là pù bàn snam
đùa ba bay ngay môn nè
phải một mét đôi nhom một cối ní lăng trong đó ba ba đấy nè bông ô là lên trong một cối nó cứ trong đó ba nhom ba đấy nè hay quạt sầm rã mấy tới lúc ơi do tong do một pro chia tập hồ trung môn ba bông ô trung môn còn một chuyện trung môn hayนี่มาเมื่อไกลเด็กคนนี้บองโอนเลยมาแม่ให้มันนั่งเทสำราไม่โอ้ยนี่บองเอ้ยเจ้าสดายเนี่ยบองโอนนี่บ่ายยมบ่ายกันเมื่ออ๋อติจ้ะสมมาเชียร์สายนี่ยืงสำราไม่เต้าลูกไอ้นี่เมื่อไกลคนสำรานี่บองโอนนี่โอ้จังไงบ้านนึงดอกกอบองโอนนะอู้มุกเตี้ยลูกปูเอ้ยสมุกไอ้เมื่อบองโอนนี่cái đây cái đai cho hay nam một lần một phần đấy ní bong ôn ơi u sum tâu là pu ní bong ôn ơi nam một lần một phần đấy
nó đùa
ba ô là ngật một đuôi chan sạ ní nu
nó ngay
ô chẳng có đạm mà chan ô ní bong ôn bài chẳng có đạm mà chan sạ miền bài miền mà hộp chẳng mà nó là pu bong ôn mơ á bà xôm camera chạm tí cho bong ôn mơ nhâm tâm chạm ram ta bồ tia con này bong ôn này ở thì họ bọc tròn mà vập mà thẹn mà mình bà đây bà chớn cái đông thò nó một phần này nó bị lơ từ bồ rồi môi xôm ở trên sai lụcปูขโมยสมซูมาเตียแทบตั้งปีลปูไปกาเมาลปูมีได้เกิดทาจองแต่สมเตียนเกดบัญจำจีบได้ออดเตนปูเนาะออดเตคือลปูสกจัดบานปนะคือยอปนัง
ดาวคือเอ็ดใจดิแกbịเอ็ดใจยังมาตายดาวส้มเลือดไอ้เปียกดิถ้าชมตะส้มเกยังมาส้มนี่
บานลปูบาน
ที่เวียงทักชมตะคัดส้มตะบอกบองโอนนะอุปธรรมช่วยขยมมันนัดขยมโซขยมช่วยขยมพง
จุดเรียบซูปกหมายบองโอนประโยชน์ตัวสนิทชนจิตติมิตรัยไงนี่ขยมบานนันสปอร์บานตัวโปรดมีนปีบองโอนประจุปรอดได้กดบานอริกาหมอกกันองกับเพียบยังขยมพองได้ท้าบัดดอยมีนบัดคือลูกปูเหมือนเนี่ยบัดได้กดรู้เนื้อขนมสังกัดจำจันติมุ้ยคันโปสันเจย์ดอยกดบานประกอบระบอนั่นคือบัดคือจีเนอเรตใจได้กดบานเลิกล้างถ้ากดคือจีอัตตะบัดคือแต่เฮียนการปีสมัยขมายกับโฮมเฮยมีนบูระโหตดอมมีการได้ปีการได้เตียดบางคนจังคือทางนี้บานโจมกดอลตีตังระบกดได้บานเลือกหลังทาเนื้อขนมต้มบางดารายอตรงม้วนยงทวยจิบเตะแต่มาดองบาดแล้วนี่ยังแต่จูบจมูกยังกดหาตาตีตังบกดอย่างน่าเฮยปีสถานเพียบจีวิตระบกดอย่างน่ามีนปปนมีนโกนได้ริโกอย่างน่านู้ยังหนึ่งแต่สะซัวจมูกหนึ่งลูกปูได้มีนวอตแต่มีนนตินิสรับบัดโดยได้บองโอนมาเคินจังจำเรื่องสู้ลูกปูบ่าโอ้ลูกปูเราขยมจับอารมณ์บนเกกิได้ลูกปูโอ้ปนตายเราโมนึงยัยดอกได้สมลูกปูช่วยนายนอมชมุติมันลูกปูมันชมุลูกปู
ลีเอะ
ลูกปูมีนปปนมีนโกนได้ลูกปู
มีนโกนใบ
มีนโกนใบเจ้ารอทั้งไงยังลูกปูเนาจมูกเนี่ยนาเกได้ลูกปู
เนามูมีมูเนามูปนปะเราจะมันโดยปนเนี่ยปนเนาแต่เนาที่ชนูเกนกเนาแต่จูแต่เนาในกระโตมีนะ
โอ้จังบ้านในท่าลูกปูเนาขนมโตมีแต่มันเองบ้านเจ้าใบตึกไอ้ยังไม่ไว้ลูกปู
ใบกี่โยอยู่กากี่โยมาเอาจะอยู่กากี่อดไป
โอ้ให้เจ้าลูกปูยมจับอารมณ์ได้ลูกปูเต้าไอ้เกวิ่งลูกปู
ได้เต้ากรอบ
เป็นการได้
เราจะนอนคลายหอม
ตั้งปีขมายกับหอมการนั่งลูกปูทั่วแต่เฮียนเลยลูกปู
เทียน
ทั่วแต่เฮียนโอ้
เทียน3 พรำ
โอ้บองโอนนี่แบบบองโอนเคยเนี่ยแบบคือได้ตรำกอได้แต่มาดองลูกปู
เป็ดยูนกัดทำกอได้ดูมอง
จังเนาะ
นั่งไงกัดกอได้ทำกอ
เจ้าบ้านทำปีกาตั้งปีสมัยขมายกับหอมเมาบ่าให้มวยเตี้ยลูกปูดูยมลือทานลูกปูมันจิงือไอเตี้ยแต่ไปจำไก่ลูกปูไง
จิงือเตี้ยแต่นอกปากกัด
เตี้ย
บาดนี่ปากกัดยังปากเชิญเงินมกดูปากกัดโยนมอง
อ๋อสนามมกนี่ดูลปิงการลูกปูบันสนาม
ใบไงมุนนึงอ่ะ
โอ้สนามมกลังปนนาปนไหนนี่บองโอนายโอ้สมโตลูกปูนี่บองโอนายสนามมกลังปนนาปนไหน
ดู
บ่าโอ้ละเงินมกดูขโมยสมซัวติ๊กเตะโตนึงกับไรลูกปูสำราวิ่งไออย่างน่าได้ลูกปูสำไรสำราลูกปูเต่าจะออลปะหางจริงมั้ยลูกปู
ไรสำราดิ
กับไรสำราอันนั้นลูกปูโอ้ให้สำราแต่ไม่ต้องลูกปูบอกกับไรปะหางแบบเม็ดนึง
ดังนั้นทั้งหมดยืงทงมวนปปันนังได้ตั้งตามตนาเด้อ
โอ้กับไรนึงลูกปูทาตรงม้วน
ตรงบุญบ้องก็เธอทงมวน
บ้าน
ก็ไปเกี่ยดม้วนขยมมันเอาเมาโจกุจัสนะเมาแล้วก็เอาในนังมองต่าง
โอ้จังบ้านทับบองโอนยังเอาลูกปูเนาขนม
นั่งเลยบองโอนเอาในได้สนะนังตั้ง
บาทจะเป็นเกิดลอยก็ได้แต่ลูกปู
เกิด
គិតដែរเนาะ
បាទក៏យកធូ
អូក៏យកធូគាត់ថា
Ờ.
យើងបានសម្រាកនៅនេះបណ្ដោះអាសន្ននៅក្នុងនឹងទៅ
ហ្នឹងហើយ
បាទអូហើយបាយទឹកអីបែបណាដែរលពូ
បាយទឹកប្រពន្ធយកពីនោះមកពី
ណែយកពីនោះមកដាក់គេមកលពូទៅពីអុលបង្ហាញរបស់យកដាក់ឲ្យ
នេះ
អូចានស្រាក់នេះនោះ
ហ្នឹងហើយ
អូអញ្ចឹងគាត់ដាក់មកមួយចានអូនេះបងប្អូនបាយអញ្ចឹងគាត់ដាក់មកមួយចានស្រាក់មានបាយមានម្ហូបអញ្ចឹងមកណាលពូ
ហ្នឹង
អូមានបាយមានម្ហូបអញ្ចឹងទៅលពូហូបអញ្ចឹងទៅអត់មានចានមានឆ្នាំងអីទេណាលពូណាអូលពូហើយបាទបងប្អូនឥឡូវដូចបងប្អូនបានឃើញអញ្ចឹងបាទជា
នេះចាននេះគេគាត់របស់គេ
អូចាំថាសិស្សរបស់គេទេមិនមែនរបស់លពូទេគាត់ថាបងប្អូននៅក្បែរហ្នឹងណាអូប្រិមិត្តបាទដូចបងប្អូនបានឃើញអញ្ចឹងផ្ទះឡាយកតង់យកមកប្រក់ធ្វើជាតវលហើយអានេះបញ្ជាក់ជូនគាត់បញ្ជាក់ថាទ្រង់មន់បាទបងប្អូនទ្រង់មន់គាត់បញ្ជាក់ទ្រង់មន់ហើយនេះមកមើលកន្លែងដេកគាត់នេះបងប្អូនហើយ1ម៉ែត្រហើយមិនដឹងថាសម្រាប់មិនអីមិនអូយណែបងអើយនេះឥឡូវជាក់ស្ដែងបងប្អូននេះបាទខ្ញុំបើកឲ្យមើលអស់តិចសុំអធិស្ឋាននេះហើយយើងសម្រាប់មិនទៅលោកហើយនេះមើលកន្លែងគាត់សម្រាប់នេះបងប្អូននេះអូអញ្ចឹងហើយបាទហ្នឹងដល់កឲ្យបងប្អូនអូមូកទៀតលោកពូអើយសុំមូកហើយមើលបងប្អូននេះកដេកកដាចអស់ហើយប្រហែល1ម៉ែត្រដូចខ្ញុំអង្គុយនេះឡើងចង់ដល់ក្បាលបាត់ហើយហ្នឹងបាទបងប្អូនឥឡូវខ្ញុំអង្គុយនេះគឺចង់ដល់ក្បាលខ្ញុំបាត់ហើយហ្នឹងហើយគាត់សម្រាប់មិនអីមិនទៅលោកអើយបាទអូយបងប្អូនហើយនេះគឺជាជីវិតបាទរបស់លោកពូផ្ទាល់ហើយថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំបានចុះមកជួបផ្ទាល់ឃើញផ្ទាល់ការពិតជាក់ស្ដែងដូចយើងឃើញអញ្ចឹងបាទគឺខ្ទមតូចមួយបាទគឺដែលដំបូងគឺធ្វើជាទ្រង់មន់ឥឡូវគាត់បានយកមកសម្រាកជាកន្លែងគាត់សម្រានតែម្ដងបាទដូចដែលលពូបានលើកឡើងអញ្ចឹងបាទលពូមកសុំចូលបន្តិចមកលពូបាទអាណិតលពូដែរបាទមុខមាត់អីឡើងអស់ហលីងបងប្អូនមកឃើញហើយដៃហើយរងថ្ងៃរើសអេតចាញ់មួយថ្ងៃបានប្រមាណដែរលពូ
ជួការវាបាន10000ជួការ5000 6000អញ្ចឹងទៅ
អញ្ចឹងเนาะ
បាទ
អូអញ្ចឹង
វាអត់ទៀងវាអត់ទៀង
ទៅលពូអញ្ចឹងយកមកបានបណ្ដោះអាសន្នអញ្ចឹងទៅเนาะ
បាទគាត់ប្រូចមកខ្វែងប្រហៃ
បាទ
អញ្ចឹងទៅ
បាទហើយមានដែរឈឺស្កាត់អីបែបណាដែរលពូ
វាឈឺដែរវាច្រើនគ្រុនងារអីចឹងទៅហើយក៏ជួការងឹតមុខងឹតអីចឹងទៅ
បាទលពូបាទអូហើយមុខនេះដួលដោយសារងឹតមុខបាទហើយកូនដែលមកលេងដែរឲ្យលុយឲ្យកែទេលពូ
វាជួការវាមកវាមិនឲ្យទៅជួការវាមកទៅវាអត់ទៅ
បាទអូអញ្ចឹងលពូជាចុងក្រោយលពូមានអ្វីជាការសំណូមពរទៅកាន់បងប្អូនសប្បុរសជនរបស់យើងក្រោយលោកបានឃើញទៅនឹងវីដេអូនេះដើម្បីបានជួយដល់លពូបន្តិចបន្តួចសម្រាប់ផ្គត់ផ្គង់ជីវភាពលពូ
សូមជូនពរដល់បងប្អូនញាតិមិត្តជិតខាងទាំងអស់ដែលឮសំឡេងគូទូរស័ព្ទដែលខ្ញុំនិយាយហ្នឹងជួយខ្ញុំក្រោយមិនជួយក្រោយអីដែរបើគាត់ថាបានមកសុខសប្បាយទាំងអស់គ្នា
បាទ
ហ្នឹងមកទាំងអស់គ្នាកុំ
បាទ
អត់មកជឿស្កាត់អីទាំងអស់គ្នាណា
បាទ
មកសុខសប្បាយទាំងអស់គ្នាទៅ
បាទលពូក្មួយសុំអធិស្ឋានលពូក្មួយសុំសួរមួយម៉ាត់ទៀតថាតាំងពីលពូពិការមកលពូមានដែរគិតថាចង់ទៅសុំទានគេដើម្បីចិញ្ចឹមជីវិតអត់ទេណាពូណាអត់ទេគឺលពូសុកចិត្តបានប៉ុណ្ណាគឺយកប៉ុណ្ណឹង
ដល់ធ្វើតែអេតចាយទេ
ប៉ុន្តែលពូ
ក្រៅពីអេតចាយខ្ញុំអត់ទៅដល់សុំលើកដៃស្ពះគេទេ
អូបាទនេះគឺជាទឹកចិត្តរបស់លពូបាទដែលបានបដិញ្ញាទោះបីជាមិនមានដៃមិនមានអីក៏ដោយតែលពូមិនទៅ
មិន
បាទមិនសុំគេទេសុខចិត្តរកបានប៉ុណ្ណាចាយប៉ុណ្ណឹង
បាទមានគេឲ្យថែម
បាទលពូបាទ
ខ្ញុំដើរហឺអេតចាយហ្នឹងមានគេឲ្យថែម
បាទលពូ
មានគេឲ្យ5000ទៅឲ្យ10000ទៅឲ្យកំប៉ុងឲ្យលោបទឹកទៅអីទៅ
អូបាទលពូបាទ
ហ្នឹងមានគេឲ្យ
បាទលពូបាទហ្នឹងហើយ
ព្រោះថាខ្ញុំទៅសុំគេខ្ញុំអត់សុំទេ
បាទលពូបាទ
ជិះវៀងថាខ្ញុំដាច់ខាត់ខ្ញុំសុំទៅបង
បាទមូលហេតុអីដែរលពូបានអត់ដាច់ចិត្តថាមិនទៅសុំទៅអីទាំងអស់
ខ្ញុំខ្មាស់គេ
ពួកទោះបីយើងពិការក៏ដោយនៅលពូ
បាទអត់
បាទនេះបងប្អូនគឺជាទឹកចិត្តរបស់លពូដែលគាត់បានបញ្ជាក់ឲ្យគាត់មិនទៅសុំគេទេសុខចិត្តរើសអេតចាយមួយថ្ងៃបាន1000 2000គេយកដែរ
បាទសួរដល់ក្មួយខ្ញុំនឹង
បាទ
នៅក្បែរនឹងដែលខ្ញុំទៅលើកដៃសាពះវិណាទៅសុំវិណាដែរអត់មានដែរសុំវិណាទេនៅចិត្តហ្នឹងក៏ដែរមិនដែរសុំទេ
បាទលពូបាទអរគុណច្រើនលពូ
ខ្មែរគុំសុំមក
បាទលពូបាទនេះគឺជាទឹកចិត្តរបស់លពូហើយដូចដែលបងប្អូនបានឃើញចឹងបាទ បងប្អូនមើលបាទសុំកាមេរ៉ាចាប់តិចចុះបងប្អូនមើលខ្ញុំទៅចាប់អារម្មណ៍ថាដបូលផ្ទះគាត់នេះបងប្អូននេះឧទាហរណ៍បើខ្យល់មកវឹបមកធ្លាក់មកมันបាក់ដៃបាក់ជើងដុំថ្មនៅប៉ុណ្ណាណៃនៅពីលើដបូលបាទនេះគឺសកត់តង់ណាបងប្អូននេះសកត់តង់ដើម្បីកុំឲ្យធ្លាក់តង់បាទហើយឃើញគឺកន្លែងខ្ទមគេថារោងមន់ហើយយកមកធ្វើជាកន្លែងគាត់សម្រាកតែម្ដងបាទដោយដែលបងប្អូនបានឃើញអញ្ចឹងបាទហើយនេះវីដេអូនេះក៏សង្ឃឹមថាពុកម៉ែបងប្អូននឹងបានឃើញក៏ដូចជាបានជួយបាទលោកពូបាន
បងប្អូនណាឧបត្ថម្ភជួយខ្ញុំអាណិតខ្ញុំសោខ្ញុំជួយខ្ញុំផងបាទអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំកំសត់កំមណាបាទខ្ញុំមិនទៅលើកដៃសុំទេប៉ុន្តែបើជួយខ្ញុំផង
បាទលោកពូបាទអរគុណច្រើនលោកពូ
ខ្ញុំមិនសូវខ្ញុំទៅបន់ទៅទៀន
បាទលោកពូបាទដូចបងប្អូនបានឃើញអញ្ចឹងបាទគឺឥឡូវនេះគាត់បានបញ្ជាក់កាន់អង្គភាពយើងដែរក៏ដូចជាសំណុំពរទៅដល់ពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនដែលជាសប្បុរសជនបាទឃើញនៅវីដេអូនេះអាចនឹងជួយគាត់តាមរយៈបាទគឺផេកអង្គភាពរបស់យើងខ្ញុំក៏ដូចជាមកជួបគាត់ផ្ទាល់ក៏បានបាទគឺដូចជាដែលបងប្អូនបានឃើញអញ្ចឹងផ្ទះរបស់គាត់ដែលខ្ញុំបានមកដល់ផ្ទាល់នេះគឺនៅជាប់ជាមួយនឹងបាទគឺជញ្ជាំងផ្ទះគេយកទ្រុងមន់ធ្វើជាកន្លែងសម្រាកតែម្ដងបាទគណៈពេលនេះក៏ខ្ញុំបាទក៏សូមបញ្ចប់នៅការផ្សាយត្រឹមនេះដែរក៏សូមអរគុណនិងសូមជម្រាបលាបាទ